Welcome back to my channel, everybody. If this is your first time here, my name is Septian and I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors. And today, it's unboxing day. Got the package today from Amazon. I already know what's inside. Let me show y'all what's inside. Ooh, what is it? Thieaudio. Ooh. Let me get my big unboxing knife out. Been wanting some Thieaudio in-ear monitors for a while now. Couldn't decide which ones to choose because there's so many. I thought I'd start at the bottom and work my way up. I have to say, this is a pretty big box. Let's see what we got. See how we open this. Okay. Sleeve here. Oh, we're not done. Now we gotta pull this up and let gravity take over. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Dang, these nice. Okay, what? Oh, I did not know it came with a carrying case. What is this, real leather? Oh, you know I'm walking around with this in my pocket now. Oh man. Okay, we got some silicone tips there. 3 sets. And then we got 4 sets in the black. What else in there? Well, I like the way this feels. Oh man, that feels nice. Okay. All right, Thieaudio. What else you got? Is that it? It's the buds now. Having some trouble with this thing. Okay. See, there we go. Ooh, they look so nice. I like the color on this. Ooh, so futuristic looking. Okay. Oh man, these are dope. Okay, we got a 0.78 millimeter pins, 2 pins. Okay, let's take a look at the shells first. Okay, these are some nice shells. Man, I'm assuming this is some 3D printed resin. Got portholes right here by the pinholes. Look at that. Like 2. Oh man, these are nice. Okay, let's look at the cable. They got the Velcro organizer strap. I love that. I love when companies put these on here. Makes it so much easier to keep your the cable wrapped up so you can store it away. That way it ain't all looking like this. You know, your cable be looking like that. You just wrap it up. See, it's a pretty nice looking cable. Nice braid. I'm assuming it's silver braided. We got a 3.5 millimeter gold plated jack. The audio branding right here on the silver. Does it have a chin cinch? Can I move this up and oh, it's got a chin cinch. Okay. I was thinking I was gonna have to replace this thing. Nice. Good ear guides. Nice and flexible. And he's nice. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna test these out. I'll burn them in. And then I'll come back later on with the review. Yeah, these are the Legacy 2. Okay. These are the Legacy 2 from Thieaudio. Let's see if ain't. Ooh, something in here. Oh, what's in here? Okay, we got a guarantee, quality control, and a little manual. That's in Japanese. What is this, Japanese? Okay, here we go. Yeah, I know how to wear in-ear monitors. Not that dumb. Okay, so you can use your phone to power these. Sweet, sweet. That is nice. So don't need that much power. Great. Well, this has been the unboxing of the Thieaudio Legacy 2 inner monitors. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share. And thank you for watching.